All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Authentic Media. So, in this particular video, I'm going to be testing withdrawal in this particular project called Reeg Type. So, this is a project that I shared with you guys a couple of days ago, which is a free USDT mining platform. Yeah, the bot mine USDT for you on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. As you guys can see my screen, the mining is going on automatically. You don't have to do anything. The major thing, or let me say the only thing you have to do is just to build your bonus balance right here, and this bot mines 7% of whatever you have right here every day for you, and it accumulates in your wallet. So if you guys take a look at my screen right here, you will see that I currently have over $10 right here, and in this particular video I'm going to be testing withdrawal in this particular project. Let me verify for myself, let me confirm if these guys are for real, if these guys are paying or not, because I've heard a lot of things about this project. Some people said that they've been paying them before, but along the line they stopped paying them. Some people say that they just placed the withdrawal and they just banned their accounts. Some people say that they never paid them before, and some people say that they have paid them and they are still paying them. So I want to confirm by myself and be sure of what these guys are up to before I will go ahead and put more effort, right? As you guys know, I normally put effort when it comes to free updates that will reward me. You understand? So I want to know my stand and know my faith in this particular project before I go ahead and build this particular balance to my desired taste, right? So like I said, in this particular video, I'm going to be testing withdrawal. This is a withdrawal test. You understand? It's not a kind of a proper or actual withdrawal. It's just to test run the withdrawal mechanism to see how it works. So for you to run your withdrawal, maybe you have some tokens right here and you want to test the withdrawal. Pay attention. Let's proceed. So if you come to this three dotted line right here, or if you click on transfer right here, it's the same thing. So if you click this three dotted line, you can see transfer money. You can go with that, but I just want to go through this route, which is transfer. Okay, so if you click on transfer right here, you wait for them to load it up. I think they are synchronizing my account. Okay, let me wait for it to come up. Okay, so here it is. If you click on transfer, you can see transfer of funds. In this section, you can submit a request to transfer funds from your wallet. There is no commission for transferring funds and it costs 0%. So they are not going to be charging you any fee for you to withdraw. So you can see different withdrawal methods right here. Okay, you can see different withdrawal methods right here. Cryptocurrency, Binance, Dogecoin, Tron, Tether, BEP20, Tether, TRC20, Yo Money, and so on and so forth. But I'm going to be going with this one that says Tether BEP20, which is USDT on BNB chain. So, and I would advise us to still make use of this particular one, right? You withdraw to your crypto wallet. So let me quickly head straight to my Trust wallet and get my USDT address BEP20. Okay, so let me enter my details. All right, so here it is. I'm in my Trust wallet. As you guys can see, I don't have any penny right here. I don't have any penny right here. So all you have to do is to click on receive, then toggle over to BNB, tap on the BNB chain as a network, then you search for USDT. Okay, wait for it to load up. Okay. All right, so as you guys can see, you can see USDT BNB smart chain, which is number one, right? USDT BEP20. You copy the address. Okay, when you copy the address, you come back to the platform right here. Okay, then you click on Tether BEP20. So Tether BEP20, they say transfer of funds, formation of application for transfer of funds in this direction. Tether BEP20, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the transfer of funds takes from 1 minute to 24 hours from the moment the transfer request is generated. All right, click on is clear. Then you paste the address that you copied right here. Paste your USDT address right here. Then you put the amount that you want to withdraw. So like I said, this is just test run. I want to test run their withdrawal machine. So I'm just going to be withdrawing $1. Okay, let me just do $2. Yeah, let me just do $2. I don't want to withdraw much so that my mining will not decrease much. Okay, so and it's just a test running. So I would advise you not to withdraw everything you have. You understand? Just keep it on the low, keep it strategic. All right, so I'll be withdrawing $2 from my wallet. All right, so let me do this. So out of the $10 plus that I have, I will be placing a withdrawal of $2. So once you put the desired amount you want to withdraw, then you click on transfer, and you can see execution. The process of sending data is in progress. Please wait for the operation to complete. So let's hold a bit for them to execute our transaction. All right, so let's hold. Okay, all right, you guys can see informing the funds transfer has already been ordered. Please wait for the execution. All right, please, after receiving your payments, write your opinion in the review session. Your opinion is very, very important to us and will be useful for improving our terms and service. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen right here under transaction, you can see here is my transaction record so far, dates today. All right, and withdraw $2 and is in process. So let's come back to our dashboard. Sorry guys, let's come back to our home dashboard. Let me go back again. I've automatically went out. Okay, Reeg type. Okay, so they've already debited the amount that I withdrew from my total wallet. So hope you guys can see I now have $8 plus right here. So all I have to do is just for me to wait for them to credit my account, right? So once they credit me, they will continue from there. All right, so I just checked my wallet right now, and my request has been submitted, and you guys can see that my account has been debited. So they said that it is going to be taken from 1 minute to 24 hours. So I just have to stay behind at the back end office and watch and see if they are going to be crediting me within the next 24 hours. So if they credit me, I'll still come back right here and tell you guys that they've credited me, so that we enter all in right here. But if they fail to credit me, I'll still come back right here to let you guys know. So let's wait and see how it goes. Let's wait and see what's up next. Alright guys, so I just got a notification that my account has been credited. So let's quickly go and verify if truly we have been credited, right? So let's first start from the transaction menu. So click this three dotted arrow right here, then click on this button that says transaction history. Okay, so here it is, and if you take a look at my transaction history, you can see the sum of $2 that I just withdrew. The route completed, right? So the funds is already in our wallet chilling, right? So we have been credited. Sorry guys, I don't know why I normally go out once like this. Okay, so as you guys are seeing, my earning is still accumulating and my wallet has been credited. So let's quickly head straight to my Trust wallet and see if it landed right there, right? So let me open my Trust wallet so that we can observe it together. So let me open my Trust wallet. It's opening. Okay, let's wait for it to refresh. Okay guys, so hola, as you all can see, my wallet has been credited. If you take a look at my screen right now, you will see $2 Theta USD, that is Theta USD under BEP20. So my Trust wallet has been credited. This is to let you guys know that Reeg type is paying, right? This is just testing. Yeah, I just test run the project to see if they will pay, and fortunately and gratefully they paid. So you guys can see $2 is already in my wallet, which is what I withdrew. So it's now time to put more effort on this particular project to make the most out of it, right? So there's no dull moments. There's no dull moments anytime from now, right? So hope you guys are seeing it. It's now time all in building our bonus balance, because that is the secret of high earning in this particular project. The secret of high earning: build your bonus balance. And you are going to be getting 7% of whatever you have in balance. So let's get to work and make the most out of this particular project. If you are not here, I'll link to the project in the description section and comment section of this particular video, so you get yourself onboarded and you're going to be receiving a $24 welcome $30, sorry guys, welcome bonus, which is going to be in your bonus wallet right here. Once you join through our link, your bonus balance here will be created. So if you refer another single person, right, you're going to be getting $8. So massive, that is just all you have to do. Let's USD can, so that As I keep withdrawing and as the event keep unfolding, I'll still keep you guys notified. So make sure cost more right here. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in our next video.